All right, Shaq, go ahead, dude. Pedal, Shaq. Look at you. There you go, buddy. You can pedal a little harder. You nervous? See? Come on, Shaq, pedal away, dude.
100 pounds?
See, like,
You still alive when I get the shift much.
no.
When he's a little more comfortable, I'll get the rocket.
Yeah.
There you go, Shaq. Try to lean over. There you go. Try to lean more. Lean all the way over, dude. Like when you're turning. Nope, not really leaning, huh? There you go.
Back and forth.
Back and forth, buddy.
There you go.
There you go, Shaq. Look at you.
Rocket.
There you go. Look, Shaq. Shaq, look. Look up.
Look at me, ready? Lean this way.
Lean. There you go, dude. All right, Shaq. Go ahead and pedal, dude. See, you can't tip it over. You're good. All right, Shaq. Look at you.
How much is supposed to get?
$5. Yeah. You're almost there, son.
One side, just like a tip. The weight is going to squeeze back in. It's just like a squeeze. One way.
All right, dude. There you go.
Oh, if I see ideas, everything like this. If you want to
A little faster coming back. You doing good, buddy? There you go, lean. All right, awesome, dude. Come on, Shaq.
Is that the flags? Why are we?
There you go, buddy.